The man who's been on Florida's death row longer than anyone else wants a new trial. Tommy Zeigler is convicted of killing his wife, her parents, and a man at his family-owned furniture store in Winter Garden back in 1976. Action News Jack's Sabrina Maggiore shows us his lawyers say new DNA evidence proves his innocence.
Hooked to an oxygen tank, 80-year-old Tommy Zeigler was wheeled into the Orange County courthouse for what defense attorneys say is his last chance to overturn the death row conviction he's fought since 1976.
The trial was a travesty of justice, Your Honor.
The defense argues that new DNA evidence exonerates Zeigler. They claim it shows Zeigler's shirt and pants didn't have blood spatters consistent with shooting the 4 victims at his family's Winter Garden store. Zeigler has testified his 3 family members were killed during a botched robbery attempt and that the 4th victim was one of the robbers.
Tommy Zeigler was not a perpetrator. He was a victim.
But the state says Zeigler's defense is cherry-picking evidence that fits their narrative. They argue Zeigler shot the victims, beat them, then shot himself in the stomach to cover up the murders. The motive here, $500,000 from his wife's life insurance policy. Prosecutors arguing new DNA technology only confirms the jury got it right decades ago.
We now know whose blood was on most of that clothing. We now know whose blood is deposited on the scene. We now know that Charles Mace's blood is all over Mr. Zeigler's clothing. And all of that is consistent with the forensic evidence established at the original trial.
Reporting from Orlando, Florida, I'm Sabrina Maggiore.
Zeigler's hearing is scheduled to last for 5 days, and we'll have an update when a judge makes a ruling.